Hello guys, today we'll be taking a look at how to fix retrieving information from the Microsoft Store. Having trouble retrieving information from the Microsoft Store can be frustrating, especially when you need to download or update apps. Here are some effective methods to troubleshoot and fix this retrieving information from Microsoft Store issue. Method 1. Step 1. Verify your internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Step 3. Try a different network. If possible, connect with a different network to rule out the issues with the current one. Method number 2. Press the start button, search for Microsoft Store, right click on the Microsoft Store and select App Setting. Click on the reset button to reset the Microsoft Store to resolve the issue. Method 3. Press Windows plus R, type the following ws reset.exe and press enter. Wait for the blank command prompt to open and close automatically, which will indicate the cache has been reset. The Microsoft cache can be corrupted, causing issues with retrieving information from the Microsoft Store. Resetting the cache can resolve the issue. Method number 4. Press the Windows key and search for Microsoft PowerShell. Right click and run it as administrator. Enter the following command as shown. Press enter, then restart your computer. This will re-register your Microsoft Store app, which can fix the issue. Method 5. Head to Windows Search and search for setting. Click on System and select Troubleshoot. Then click on Other Troubleshoot. Here you will find Windows Store. Click on Run and it will troubleshoot the Windows Store for any possible issues. Method 6. Press Windows plus I, go to App and click on Advanced App Setting. Under Choose Where to Get Apps, make sure it is selected Anywhere. This will ensure that your app settings are configured correctly to allow retrieving information from the Microsoft Store to function properly. Method 7. This is a quite straightforward step. Head over to Microsoft Store and just sign out of your Microsoft account. Then sign in. Signing out and then back into your Microsoft account can refresh your connection with Microsoft Store and resolve the issue. Method 8. Open command prompt and run it as administrator. Type the following SFC/scannow and press enter. Wait for the completion of the scan and then type in the following one by one. And then restart your computer to complete the scan. System File Checker SFC and Deployment Imaging Services and Management Tool DISM can repair corrupted system files that might be affecting the retrieving information from the Microsoft Store. Method 9. Press Windows plus R and search the following services.msc and press enter. Locate the following services: Windows Update, Windows Store Install, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Client License Service. Right click and restart each of the services. You can also do this step via a command line by opening your command prompt as an administrator and entering the following commands. Restarting these important services can help resolve the issue with the Microsoft Store. Method 10. Press Windows plus R, type Control and press enter. Click on User Account, then click on Change User Account Control Settings. Move the slider to Never Notify, click OK and confirm any prompts. Step 2. Re-enable UAC. Move the slider to desired level. Click OK and confirm any prompts. Restart your computer to apply changes. By disabling and re-enabling User Account Control UAC on the Windows system, you can help fix the issue. Method 11. Press Windows plus I and open Windows Setting. Click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update and let the Windows download and update any possible updates. Making sure your Windows operating system is up to date with the latest updates and patches can resolve the issue. Method 11. Press the Windows key, type Windows Security and press enter. Choose Firewall and Network Protection from the left panel. Choose the Private Network option. Disable the toggle under Microsoft Defender Firewall. If UAC pop-ups, click on Yes. Check if the problem continues. If yes, then enable the firewall again. Note, different computers might have different antivirus protection. Disabling the antivirus can help in resolving the issue with the Microsoft Store. Method 13. In this method, instead of using the web version, you have to just use the Microsoft Store that is pre-installed in your Windows device. For that, open the Windows search, type Microsoft Store and press enter. Type the name of the program you want to install. Click get after picking the appropriate app from the list. Now the software ought to be installed properly. Method 14. Press the Windows plus I key and open Windows setting. Click System from the left hand menu. Scroll down and select the recovery option. Under recovery, click on Reset PC. When this page appears, click on Keep My Files or Remove Everything according to your preferences. Resetting the Windows can help in fixing the issue. Method 15. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type msconfig and press Enter to open System Configuration. In the System Configuration window, go to Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Click on Disable All button. Next, go to Startup tab and open Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, disable all the startup programs by right-clicking on each entry and selecting Disable, and then restart your computer. By doing this, you will be able to identify precisely which service is responsible for the issue. Method 16. Open Windows Search and search for setting. Choose Troubleshoot under the System tab. Click on Other Troubleshooter. Click on Run next to Windows Update. The Windows Update Troubleshoot will pop up and look for any available issues. Follow on-screen instruction to remove the detected problems from your system. Running the Windows inbuilt troubleshooter can automatically identify and fix common issues with the problem related to the Microsoft Store. Method 17. Close the Xbox app, then search for Microsoft PowerShell and open it as administrator. Then type in the following command and hit enter. Reopen the Xbox app and auto-install the gaming services package. Removing and reinstalling the gaming services package can help resolve the issue with the Microsoft Store. These were all the methods to resolve the issue with retrieving information from the Microsoft Store. Thank you.